Project code ITPY-DC05. Project title Car Rental System using Django Framework. Car rental system. Car rental system is nothing but the people can hire a car for short periods of time, like few hours to few weeks. Generally, if you are new to the city and if you want to travel in the city, you need a vehicle to transport to see around the city. So for that purpose, you can just hire a car for a short period of time by paying the money. So our project is about to create a car rental web application. Car rental web application where the customer can come to the site and he can see the available cars, the capacity of the cars, and the how much the car range is, like that. He can come and he can hire the car according to his needs. Existing system. In existing system, what they have done is they have used a decentralized approach where the car sharing services requires the customers to show their valid driving license, and the customer has done any misbehaving, then they are recorded in their system. Existing drawbacks. So it only focused on storing the data of the customer, and there are no like interface to create the web application, or the payment of the car rent is not discussed. Proposed concept. In proposed concept, what we are going to do, we are going to introduce a online booking of car rent, where the person can come to our website and he can hire the car by paying a money for the specific period of time. So in our application, what we are going to do, we are going to create an web application using Django framework, where the customer can see the available cars, the prices according to it, and he can give the location till where he want to go with the car. Proposed advantages. So after scheduling and maintenance is easy using Django framework, and Django provides an extra security to the system. And now the user can directly interact to the system by booking the car online. The existing technique they have used is DAPA method, that is decentralized architecture, privacy preservation, and the proposed one is CSRF token. We know that Django provides more security to the system, and it uses CSRF token for forms. So the Django provides extra security to the customers' data. So coming to the architecture, first the owner will register, and then he will log into the main page of his main page, and then the owner can upload his card details, like what is the maximum capacity, how like visit petrol type or diesel type, and finally he can give the payment details for the specific interval. Now user comes, and first he will register himself, and afterwards when he log in he can view all the cards that are uploaded by the owner, and he can check the car according to his requirements, and the customer, after he selected his car for which is suitable to him, he can pay the rent and he can take the car. So the main real-time application is the travelers now can book the car and can travel to their desired location without worrying about the new city or whether they can get any car or there any transport problem like that. If they can, we can in future we can use like machine learning algorithms, so the user can now, after he books some around 2 to 3 cars, he can get recommendations or any offers according to it. The software technology we used is PyCharm IDLE and Django framework. Why we are using PyCharm IDLE? Because the debugging tools offered by PyCharm is good and it is more easy to use and the community support is also good. And we are using Django as it is an user friendly experience. These are the minimum hardware requirements for our the project. Thank you.